And welcome back. With me today from the Hearing Well Club is Tony Berrien, and we're going to talk about a few different things, but fun ice cream social is coming up next week, right?
On Tuesday afternoon, Clubhouse 3, Performing Arts Center.
And everyone's invited? Or do you have to be part of the club?
No reservations needed, and everyone's invited. You don't have to be a member, everybody's invited.
You just have to like ice cream.
Well, yes, and we're going to have strawberry toppings and caramel and chocolate and nuts and all the kinds of, the good stuff.
That sounds fun. I don't think you'll have any problem getting people to go to that. So that'll be a lot of fun. But you were going to, you said that there's going to be a representative there demonstrating assistive devices. Is this what you brought us today?
Yes, I brought a couple just to show.
Okay.
Serene Innovations is a manufacturer, and their offices are located in Norwalk, so they're close enough. Because
yeah.
And one of the most popular items they have is a TV sound box. You know, when somebody has a hearing loss, the telephone and the television is usually the most difficult things to hear.
Yeah.
So the TV sound box, just to show you here.
Okay.
This is really a fabulous little invention. This base gets connected to the audio output of your television.
Okay.
Very simple installation.
Yeah.
And this is the speaker that charges on this base. Mm-hmm. And you keep this by the TV, and then this you just take and put next to you, or if more than one person is listening, it's got volume control and tone control.
Oh, that's nice. So I see there's inputs on the side, so you can either have it full speaker, if there's maybe two of you, or you can connect your own.
With earbuds or a neck loop with a telecoil.
Okay.
What's really great about this is that if you're watching a really good movie and you need to make a pit stop, take the speaker with you.
There you go.
You can hear it. Or if something's boiling on the stove and you don't want to miss a word, you can take
that's not a bad idea for anyone.
Into
just
the
because,
kitchen. Exactly.
Yeah, that's really not a bad idea.
And it's good 30 feet away from here, so most places in the house, you could take it with you.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
And there's just, you just hook that up, let that charge, and you're good to go.
Very easy. So they'll be demonstrating that.
Okay.
They're also going to be demonstrating this alarm clock, which is very specifically for people with hearing loss. This is not the only type. It's not the only brand. I'm not really promoting the company as much as the need for notification systems. So this device is an alarm clock. It actually allows you to set two different alarms if you need to. It coordinates with this bell door ringer. So you put this on outside. So when somebody comes to the door,
that's nice.
This will flash an alarm.
Okay, that is great.
And also, this is a bed shaker. So this is connected, and it kind of shakes your bed. So let me tell you why this is so critically important. And I've used one of these systems for 20 years now. When your hearing aids are off and you're sleeping, do you hear somebody coming to the door? Do you hear the smoke alarm? Do you hear the fire alarm? Do you... so it's perfect for that. And the thing is that when you're sleeping, this is very gentle shake. It's not like an earthquake. It's not, but it just gently wakes you up because you may not see the flash, you may not hear the alarm.
Okay, how does this connect? Because when I'm looking at the front here, they have a little symbol icon for a baby, for it looks like a smoke detector, that sort of thing. So how does this integrate with systems?
There's a variety of add-on accessories if you need them. One is a motion detector. Okay. One is a baby crier. So for young parents who are deaf or hard of hearing, this would be great to put the baby crier accessory in the crib.
And this is all made by the same company?
Yeah.
Then. Okay.
But there are other companies too. But this is
right. But I mean, you would buy the accessories to go with that.
Yes.
What if you already have? This is just in general type of question for you. Perhaps you already have the standard First Alert brand or whatever smoke detectors. The couple big brands, whatever they are. Yeah. Can those be integrated? How would those work, or do you need specific ones?
You get an accessory.
Okay.
It's a small box that you put next to your smoke detector.
Okay.
So when that box hears the smoke detector, it alerts you.
Okay. Very good.
So a lot of people say, well, I don't need that, I have a spouse. Well, sometimes the spouse is not around.
Yes.
They could be on a fishing trip or visiting the grandkids, or you could be alone overnight. And so, you know, I'm aware of people who passed because of carbon monoxide poisoning. And if they had had something like this, they would have been awoken.
Yeah.
And they would have escaped. So it is, if you know, it's very safety. I can't live without it. Not everybody needs something like that. I have a very profound hearing loss, and so that works for me. Because when I take this off, I don't hear anything.
Okay. All right. So what's this here?
Well, this is a Bluetooth device. It pairs with your cell phone, and it becomes an external speaker for your smartphone.
Oh,
so,
okay.
And the beauty of this is that it really has strong volume control if you need that. So there's volume control. You can also put a headset with it if you need to. And it also has a clip so that if you wanted to put this in your car, for a Bluetooth receiver for your cell phone.
Oh, there you go. That's a good. So again, here's something that could be good for anyone.
So this is a cell phone accessory,
That's
notification system, and TV listening. So, and this is just the beginning. You know, I try to show something in many of my meetings, or you know, there's. I try to bring something in and show it if there's time. So they're going to have a few things, and it's going to be very interesting.
What if someone is a situation where maybe some of these things they cannot afford? Are there special assistance for them, for people who are at a certain level of hearing loss, either with the state, with these folks, you know, where they can get some
You're talking about telephones?
Well, I'm talking about in general. If I don't know how much these cost, but maybe somebody who's deaf, they can't afford to buy these things. Is there some sort of assistance that they can go to?
The telephone.
I know the telephone
access through the state is available, and there's telephone access through the federal, but not for TV.
Okay.
Because the telephone access is covered under the American Disabilities Act.
Okay.
But we don't have anything from the American Disabilities Act for listening to TV.
Okay. All right. Man, they should. No, I understand, but I just wanted to check because there may be people going, "Wow, I could really hear that," but I have to find out, you know, the cost of it and that sort of thing. So your meeting again, the Ice Cream Social, will be next Tuesday, a week from today, June 12th at Performing Arts Center in Dining Room 2.
Yes.
Doors open at 1:45, as you can see there, and you are all invited to go.
Yes.
All right, that should be a lot of fun. Do people need to bring anything, or is this like everyone brings some ice cream, or are you guys providing it?
We appreciate donations.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Good to see you. Thanks for the information.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of good stuff that you
Ken.
brought today can really for anyone, even if they're not hard of hearing.
Yeah, the TV soundbox is very convenient.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, if you're listening to a program and you want to barbecue out on your patio, you can bring the sound with you.
Do you have that?
I do.
How long does the charge last?
This is mine.
You say?
About 8-10 hours.
Oh wow!
On a charge.
Yeah, that's great.
And then at night you just put it back on the charger, and
Very good. All right, good to see you.
Good to see you.
You take care, and we'll be right back.
Yes.